Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT webcast. In today's video, we are going to learn the steps on how to create security group in Microsoft Entra ID. Microsoft Entra ID provides several ways to manage access to resources, applications, and tasks. By using Microsoft Entra groups, you can assign access and permissions to a group of users rather than individually managing each user. Restricting access to Microsoft Entra resources only to users who needs it is a fundamental principle of Zero Trust security. In Microsoft Entra, a group is a collection of users, devices, or other entities that can be managed collectively for administrative and security purposes. Groups simplify the management of access and permissions by allowing administrators to assign roles, policies, and access rights to the group as a whole rather than individually to each member. Groups allows us to add and remove specific users to grant or deny access with a minimum amount of effort. Microsoft Entra also helps you to manage your cloud-based applications, on-premises applications, and resources by using our organization's group. There are 2 group types and 3 group membership types in Microsoft Entra ID. In the previous video, we explored Microsoft Entra ID groups in details. You can find the link to that video in the description below. You have to review the options to find the right combination for your scenario. In this video, we will create a new security group and assign members to the group. We need to access and log in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. You can access Microsoft Entra Admin Center using the URL entra.microsoft.com. For this video, we have used the Global Administrator account to log into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. You can also use the User Administrator role to perform the steps mentioned in this video. Now expand Groups and click on All Groups. We can see our organization's existing groups on this page. Currently, our organization does not have any Microsoft Entra groups set up. To create a new group, click on New Group. As I told you earlier, that Microsoft Entra allows you to define 2 different types of groups. Security groups are the most common and are used to manage member and computer access to shared resources for a group of users. For example, you can create a security group so that all group members have the same set of security permissions. By doing it this way, you can give a set of permissions to all the members at once instead of having to add permissions to each member individually. In addition to administrators, security group owner can also include users and service principals. Second, we have Microsoft 365 group. In a future video, we will explore Microsoft 365 group type in greater detail. Choose security as a group type. Now enter the name of the group. For example, test group 1. Here I have added suffix as to denote that this group is security group. We can also add a short description of the group. Let me add group description. With Microsoft Entra ID P1 or P2, you can create role-assignable groups and assign Microsoft Entra roles to these groups. In that case, you will have one more option here, name roles can be assigned to the group. Since we are using Microsoft Entra ID free subscription, we don't have that option. Remember, this switch is visible to only privileged role administrators and global administrators because these are only 2 roles that can set the switch. We can select dynamic or assign membership for the security group. Keep in mind that dynamic group membership type is not available with Microsoft Entra ID free. To use dynamic group membership, you need a Microsoft Entra ID P1 or P2 license. So with Microsoft Entra ID free subscription, we are not able to create a group with dynamic group membership type. So we have to create a security group with assigned membership type. Now select the members and owners for the group. Click on No Owners Selected link. Select the user which you want to set as a group owner. Security group owners can add and remove group members if required. I'm not going to define group owner for this test group. Let's close the page. During the group creation process, you can also add members to the group. Click on No Members Selected link. Select the object which you want to add as a group member. Users, devices, enterprise applications, and other groups known as nested group can be included as members of a security group. Go to Users tab to see only user accounts from our Microsoft Entra ID tenant. Select the user account named David Warner. So in this example, I want to add David Warner as a group member while creating the security group. Now click on Select. And the members, we can confirm that we have one member selected. Click on Create to create a new security group with defined settings. The group is created successfully. Click on Refresh to view the updated list of groups. We can confirm that the group has been created successfully. Check the group name, group type, and membership type. It should be security group with assigned membership type. Now that we have created the group, we can view all the assigned members. Click on Group Name. On the Overview page, we can see the brief overview information about our security group. We can also see we have total 1 members in this group. To see who is our group member, under Manage, click on Members. We can confirm David Warner is member of this security group. To add more members, click on Add Members. Begin searching for the members to add to our group from the Add Members page. Here, I'm going to select Joe Root. Click on Select. Members successfully added. To confirm it, click on Refresh. We can confirm Joe Root is added successfully to this security group. Now click on Owners. Just as with members, you can add or remove group owners for the security group from this page. To do that, click on Add Owners. And here I'm going to select David Warner and I want to make this user as a group owner. Click on Select. Click on Refresh and we can confirm that David Warner is successfully added as a group owner. Now David Warner can add users to this security group as well as he can remove existing members from this security group. Let's go to Properties page. On the Properties page, we can modify the group details such as its name and description. To assign Microsoft Entra role to the security group option is there, but it is not available to us because we are using Microsoft Entra ID free subscription. But suppose if you are using Microsoft Entra ID P1 or P2, from here you can assign Microsoft Entra roles to this security group. That's it for today's video on how to create a new security group in Microsoft Entra ID. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Entra ID and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.